If you're like me and you're trailing, you're using some kind of GPS based on your phone. Maybe your phone, maybe you have a tablet holder, but I've been using the suction cup one that mounts to the windshield, and sometimes it comes off. Not to mention it shimmies around. So let's install a budget phone holder that goes on the tray in the center of the dashboard with a nice phone mount. It's got a phone holder, and this mount goes in sideways inside your tray in the middle of the dashboard. To start off with, let's get rid of this clutter. This is the phone mount, mounted up. We're gonna get rid of that because we're not gonna be using that anymore on here. This should just pop off. Pull it from the back and it comes right out. The bar is gonna mount right in here where these bolts are. The bar is supposed to mount right in here where these little bolts are, but I don't even see those bolts. Slide it underneath this. So once you got everything bolted in, this just fits right into there. You're gonna adjust this to however you want to hold your phone. Once you open it up wide enough, you put your phone in. Your phone is in there ready to go, so once it's snugged down, it should be pretty tight. There you go. We don't know how good it's gonna work, but if it holds the phone, we're good to go. Hey, that's it. Pretty easy. A couple little bolts locked in, place to hold your phone. That works a lot better than this, because this used to shake around quite a bit, and sometimes the phone would even fall out. Thanks for watching. I'm Matt, and this has been a 2-Minute Tuesday, how to upgrade your Jeep. See you next week.